galing, and put love in everything that you do. Actually, yung top 1, bonus na lang, pero yung naging purpose at mission ko sa mundo, makatulong ng sobrang daming tao. That's really sobra. Kaya, I wanna say, big gratitude to Doc Connie, Doc Ed. Maraming salamat for putting up this company. Miss Lay, thank you so much. Sir June, Sir Arnel, thank you. And to all the AIM Global Management, you are bringing light to every darkness. You are giving hope to the people na hindi na nangangarap pero natututong mangarap. The mere fact na na-invite ninyo, na-presenta ng opportunity, the moment that they can feel na magbabago yung buhay nila, champion ka na doon at top 1 ka na doon. I can't wait for everyone to have this moment in their lives. And I know na kayo na ang next. And it feels so good. It feels so good that the first time na naging top 1, may 8 po ako kasamang, 8 po kami na nasa top 20.